Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best hamburger patty maker in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Stainless Steel Burger Press 5.5-inch Round Burger Smasher. Non-stick smooth hamburger press, flat bottom without ridges, bacon press, grill press perfect for flat top griddle grill cooking. This burger smasher tool is made of brushed stainless steel, not easy to stick. One-piece molding design won't break and rust. Diameter 5.5 inches. Height 3 inches. Thickness 0.08 inches. Diameter of handle 0.8 inches. Weight 376 grams. The smooth and flat bottom of the panty presser grill will help you to get a uniform thickness burger buddy. Smooth, brushed stainless steel feels comfortable when pushed down on. This premier press reduces sticking and refuses rust. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Efficient cooking. Meatball Master helps cook your burger stuffer more efficiently. 376 grams weight is enough to press out unwanted excess fat and oils from meats for evenly heating the food and speeds up the cooking process. Number 4. Bodker Smash Burger Press 6-inch Round Burger Smasher Grill Press for griddle bacon press meat steak press with wood handle. 6-inch Round Burger Smasher. Rust-proof iron metal press. 6-round design fits in most pans and skillets. Good to make thin burgers and various meats. Be noted that the burger press is not a heavy type, better for grill and griddle press. Smooth Flat Burger Press. The smashed burger press has a flat and smooth surface, which transfers and retains heat evenly. Use it to easily flatten bacon and squeeze fat from meats. It helps you smash a thin burger with uniform thickness. Sturdy wide wood handle. This iron burger grill press is easy to hold and use. The Burger Smasher offers you a secure and comfortable grip. Its handle is made of natural wood, heat-resistant and smooth without burrs. The wood handle is firmly fixed to the iron metal with 4 screws, preventing it from falling or losing. Number 3. Cuisinart CSBP 100 3-in-1 Stuffed Burger Press, Black. The Cuisinart Stuffed Burger Press is the ultimate 3-in-1 tool for burger making. Start by making amazing burgers stuffed with your favorite flavors in 3 easy steps. Just press, stuff press, and you're ready to cook. Or use the convenient slider insert to shape perfect sliders anytime for a great snack. This press also works great to make regular burger patties up to 3/4 pounds. So no matter what burger you are in the mood for, the Cuisinart Stuffed Burger Press has you covered. Innovative culinary tools are the Cuisinart signature. The prestigious Cuisinart brand is not limited to their famous food processors. Plugged or unplugged, nobody covers the modern chef like Cuisinart. Cuisinart is a full-service culinary resource with a wide array of products, preferred by chefs and favored by consumers. And now you can take the world-famous Cuisinart brand to your patio, lawn, tailgate, or campsite with their comprehensive line of Cuisinart outdoor grilling products available now on Amazon. Features: nothing beats the freshness of a homemade stuffed hamburger. Number 2. Weston Hamburger Crabcake and Sausage Press. Makes 4.5 in diameter patties. 1/4 pounds to 3/4 pounds patty ejector. Exclusive spring plunger makes patty pressing and removal effortless. Also great for making stuffed burgers, crab cakes, and sausage patties. Spring plunger for easy patty removal. Adjustable patty thickness from 1/4 to 1 1/4. Patties measure 4.5 in diameter. Non-stick coating. Cast aluminum. Wipes clean. Press your favorite ground meat and seasonings into consistent, perfectly packed burgers. Spring plunger button compacts the patty tightly, then pops back for quick patty removal. Also great for making stuffed burgers, crab cakes, and sausage patties. Great for beef, venison, and other wild game. Make consistent burgers that cook evenly and don't fall apart on the grill. Number 1. Ulicene Stainless Steel Burger Press 6.2-inch Round Burger Smasher. Professional Griddle Accessories Kit. Grill press perfect for flat top griddle grill cooking. High quality stainless steel. The burger press made of brushed stainless steel, including grip handle, stain-resistant and rust-proof. The round grip handle adopts laser welding technology, which will not become loose over time, and it can stay firm for a long time. Reduce cooking time. Efficient cooking. You can exerting pressure to make food complete cooking faster while adding a unique flavor. Press out the grease for healthy cooking. It's much easier to use than griddle spatula or forming by hand. Smooth and flat surface. A flat and smooth bottom of the smashed burger press can help you get a burger of uniform thickness. Smooth, brushed stainless steel feature not stick. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe.